1. Sifter. The flour sieve has a capacity of 4 cups, the flour does not overflow out of the cup, and the double-layer rotating mesh is used to fully disperse the flour, and the filter is more gentle. Comfortable to hold, simple to operate, just press the handle to filter the flour. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pincer puller. Let you remove fish bones, fresh garlic skins quickly and safely without mess. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopper. Slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. The food dicer has a built-in drain basket, you can put the washed vegetables into it. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Foldable cutting board. With its silicone sides you can easily expand the chopping board and it becomes a basket for cleaning or storing vegetables and fruits. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Coconut scraper. Features stronger and sharper teeth for effortless coconut scraping and long-term durability. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Noodle cutter. Has durable construction, easy to use and easy to clean. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tap extender. Has 360-degree rotation for maximum convenience for hassle-free washing and cleaning. Has 3 flow modes, rain, foam, and mist flow modes for effortless washing. Tap extender suitable for taps with threading. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Oil strainer pot. The entire grease container is made of stainless steel. No rust, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and no deformation. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Scrubber. Long-lasting sturdy plastic, scrubs and clean stuff to reach areas. Easily rinses clean, has a strong handle for comfortable grip, hence helps to keeps all surfaces clean and hygienic, can also be used on kitchen tiles, wash basins, and utensils. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopping board. Ideal for chopping, slicing, dicing, cutting and serving food. You can use them on the kitchen counter while cooking, made from high quality, top grade, eco-friendly bamboo tree. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Can opener. The superior quality stainless steel blade holds an ultra-sharp edge providing lasting and superior cutting performance. It's strong and durable to open all types of cans. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. Quickly and safely remove corn kernels from cobs and has a compact, comfortable, Y-peeler shape, is easy to maneuver and works with every grip, has sharp, durable, Japanese stainless steel blades won't rust. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Washing baskets. The design of the colander can be applied to various purposes. The modern design can improve the use of the basket colander, washing vegetables, washing fruits, vegetables and fruits, and can be mixed. This drain colander set is made of food-grade PP plastic, which is safe, non-toxic, BPA-free, durable and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shrimp cord opener. Peeler is made of pakka wood handle and high-carbon stainless steel blade. Hardwood handle cushions your hand and will not slip. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Spatula. Super flexible head slides easily under food for a clean lift and flip that keeps even the most delicate food in one piece. Multi-curved head design allows you to scrape the corners of pans that other spatulas can't reach. Unique head shape lets you chop food in a hot pan while keeping your hand up and away from heat. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Food tongs. Made of premium 304 stainless steel and food-grade silicone, which are BPA-free and FDA approved. It's heat resistant to 480 F and stain and odor resistant. Push the buckle down, the clip is on working state. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chopper. Made from durable ABS plus PET plastic and high-grade 420J2 stainless steel, the chopper is built to last through heavy home kitchen use while retaining a sleek green color. All parts including the stainless steel blades are top rack dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning without having to hand wash sharp blades. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Apple Corer. Quickly and easily removes cores from apples, pears, and more. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Drain Basket. Equipped with a fine mesh bag that ensures thorough draining while preventing small particles from clogging your sink, maintaining cleanliness and efficiency. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Egg Yolk Separator. Just place it on top of your bowl, crack an egg into the separator slots, and within 3 seconds, you'll have perfectly separated egg yolk and egg white. It's quick, effortless, and ensures a mess-free experience. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Stretch Lids. The silicone food protection cover can be used to cover cooked food, fruit, salads, sauces, and beverages such as coffee, tea, and juice. Food lids are easy to fit into most bowls, jars, containers, cups, mugs, cans, jars, and you can even use them to cover your half-cut melon or watermelon. Lids are BPA-free, food grade and completely non-toxic. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Spatula Set. The silicone spatula set is seamless and integral. The all-round silicone spatulas with stainless steel in the core make it high strength but balanced with flexibility. You will love the durable spatula to use for cooking, baking, or STHLs. Silicone heads contain tough steel core to provide the perfect balance of strength with flexibility. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopper. Large break-resistant container with rubber grip base which holds the device firmly in place. Fastest, safest and easiest way to chop or dice fruits and vegetables. Other features are easy to use, clean and store, hand-operated, no electricity needed. The container is break-resistant, extra sharp stainless steel blades, has advanced push-to-clean button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning, high-quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting, large detachable container which can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Bamboo Brush for Cooking. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Double Handle Garlic Knife. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Garlic Crusher Presser. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cream Piping Bag and Nozzles. Made of stainless steel and plastic which is durable and convenient to decorate your cake biscuits and desserts. Must-have tool set for cake decoration. These tips come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to create different decorative designs on cakes, cupcakes, muffins, and other baked goods. Product link is given in the 27th link. Thanks for watching.